why you shouldn't aerate after laying a pre-emergent. Nothing beats the look of a thick, healthy lawn. And if you've put down a pre-emergent to stop those pesky weeds, great job. But hold on, before you aerate, there's something you need to know. Pre-emergents work by creating an invisible barrier in the soil, stopping weed seeds from sprouting. It's like laying down a force field to protect your lawn from unwanted invaders. But here's the problem. If you aerate after applying a pre-emergent, you're punching holes right through that barrier. This means weed seeds now have a clear path to grow, completely undoing all your hard work. So what's the right approach? Timing is everything. If you need to aerate, do it in the fall, when you're overseeding, not in the spring, when you're preventing weeds. Still unsure? At Hackmann Lawn Landscape, we've got your back. Whether it's the right time to aerate or the best way to keep weeds at bay, we're here to help your lawn thrive. Still thinking about aeration and overseeding this spring? For the best results, you need the right plan. Let the experts at Hackmann help you maximize your lawn's success. Visit www.hackmannlawn.com today and let's grow something great together.